If this message shows up when you try to log into your Google account, this indicates that Google has identified suspicious automated behavior coming from your browser. This is most likely because of a Chrome extension. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. Click the three dots in the top right corner and go to Extensions. Here, click Manage Extensions. Review and identify any suspicious extensions. This is how to identify suspicious extensions. Go to the details and read the description of each extension. If it doesn't clearly state its function, then it could be suspicious. Now review the permissions. Some extensions require access to sensitive info like your browsing history and cookies. Be cautious if any of these permissions seem unnecessary. After reviewing each extension, disable anyone you haven't used in a while and also anyone you deem suspicious. After disabling any extensions, it's a good idea to clear your cache and cookies. Click the three dots in the top right corner and then select Delete Browsing Data. For the time range, select Last 24 hours and click Delete Data. And when you try logging into your account again, you should see that the issue has been resolved. If the problem still persists after following these steps, try disabling each extension one by one to pinpoint the exact problem. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need this. Also, don't forget to drop a comment below with any tips, tricks, or questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.